welcome back to another video. Hope you enjoyed my new intro. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Ideal Gel Polish Starter Kit, the second one. And supposedly you get a salon effect at home. I absolutely love the packaging. The box came sealed and it has a hollow effect. So as soon as you open it, there's a parchment paper type of sheet that says Lifu in gold, which is the brand name. This video got cropped. I apologize so you can't see everything clearly. So here's a Q&A sheet which has questions commonly asked about gel nail polishes and instructions on how to apply, remove, and prep your nails with pictures, which are really helpful. Then there's another instruction sheet in Spanish and English to further help you. Here is a bunch of label stickers for your nail polishes because the nail polishes are not named. So you just add a dot of nail polish and stick it on top of the bottle, which I'll be doing later on. So now I'm going to remove the first layer of the box. And here are all the other stuff included. Again, the video got cropped so you can't see everything and I apologize for that. So this is the UV LED mini lamp that they give in the back. You can see that there's all sorts of colors and it's marked which one you got. I got the pink one. Here's the little cable cord that you're going to connect to your lamp, and then here's the proof of the product, I believe, or something. And then here's the instruction pamphlet to help you with your UV LED lamp. And I learned it after a long time that if you hold on to the button for 2 seconds, then you get 60 seconds of light, or if you just press it once, you only get 45 seconds of the light. So now I'm going to show you the back, which is where you plug it in, and there's the button right next to my thumb, which again got cropped out, so I apologize. So now I'm just going to show you a size reference of how big the lamp is. It is very small. Here's a mechanical pencil so you can see the size of the lamp. Again, it's kind of small, but it's perfect size. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off the nail polish I already have on. And I like to use this Beauty Secrets 100% acetone to remove my nail polish. So once I've removed all my polish, I'm going to use the buffer to buff my nails and to remove the shine from them so the nail polish applies better. And then I'm going to push my cuticles back. The cuticle pusher is actually very sharp and I do cut myself, as you'll see soon. So as you can see, I just cut my nail and I'm just going to get a band-aid to cover it up to make sure it doesn't get infected. And I'm just going to push the rest of my cuticles. And once I finish, I'm going to apply a nice thin layer of base coat on all my nails and make sure you seal the edges. So I am applying the nail polish on my natural nails. You can use fake tips or fake nails on top if you want to do so. So I actually messed up. I should have plugged in the lamp before, but I am plugging it in now. So you're supposed to curate your nails for 60 seconds. At this time, I didn't know that if you only hit it once, it was 45 seconds. And if you held on to the button, it would give you the full 60 seconds. So I did time myself. So I did my 4 fingers first, and then I did my thumb separate, because your whole hand does not fit well underneath it all. So now I'm just going to do my other hand. So now I'm going to swatch all the colors, and I'm just going to put it on the little label stickers for the nail polishes. And you get 6 colors, so I'm just going to swatch them all. And I'm just going to curate them real quickly so they set. So I'm going to use the turquoise color, and then just going to do the dark navy-ish blue for my accent nails. Make sure you clear your edges up as you apply the nail polish, which I didn't do on this hand, and I later realized that, and I highly recommend you clean it up as you go, just to make it nice and clean, or else you have to scrape on the edges, which I personally don't like to do. After I've applied the nail polish, I'm just going to curate it for 60 seconds each coat, and then you can apply as many coats as you want. I do 3 coats because I like the full coverage look. So now I'm just going to do my second coat. So as you can see, I'm just trimming up the edges with the scissors I have already and cleaning up. Now I'm going to do my other hand, and I'm just going to do the same thing over again. And as I mentioned before, clean up your edges as you go, because it makes everything so much easier. I already finished my other hand, so I didn't film that part, but I'm going to show you on this hand how everything's supposed to look. So now I'm about to apply my top coat. If you want to add any rhinestones or any other decorations to your nails, I recommend you add them now, right before you curate the top coat. And I'm just going to put the top coat on all my nails, a nice even, and I'm going to make sure all my edges are sealed. So I'm going to curate it. And once your nails are done, I'm just going to apply the cuticle oil to help my drying cuticles and just massage it in, and that's the final finished look. So it's the next day, and I just want to say I absolutely love how they turned out. As you can see, they're really shiny and very hard, which is nice. I'm going to link the kit down below, the one that I used. I got it from Amazon, and I purchased it during Prime Week days, like 2 days. And I got it for like 20 bucks, but I'll link it down below, and I still believe it's like $25 regardless. And I absolutely love how it turned out. As you can see, this is what I was talking about for like the edges. You need to smooth them out as you go, or else they're just like a little weird. I picked them up, that's why they're like out, but they will be flat if you don't pick them up, as you can see right here too. But honestly, overall, you get the look that you want, and I absolutely love how they turned out. I'm gonna just go over here to show you guys. Beautiful.